the Happy Heart. It's no surprise that my favorite words are irregular heart words. Let's have some fun and learn to read and spell a new heart word today. Today, our new heart word is whose. Your turn to say the word. Say whose. Great job! Now that we know today's heart word, it's time to count the number of sounds in the word. I'll push a circle into a box for every sound we say in our word. Here we go. Ooh, zzz. There are 3 sounds, so we need 3 sound boxes. I know you're paying close attention and noticed this line beside our last sound box. Don't worry, we'll talk about this really soon. Okay, heart word heroes, now it's time to spell the sounds in our sound boxes and figure out why this word is called an irregular heart word. Whose is an interesting irregular heart word because there are 3 tricky parts in this word that we are going to mark with hearts. The first sound in the word whose is h, and this is spelled with the digraph WH. And the second sound is ooh, spelled with the vowel O. The hearts under both of these sounds remind us that these are irregular spellings for the sounds and ooh. The last sound in the irregular word whose is z, spelled with the letter S. Since S is one of the regular ways to spell the sound z, a black box goes here. Now it's time to talk about that line beside our last sound box. You may remember that when we counted the sounds in the word whose, we didn't say a sound for the letter E on the end. That's because the E is a silent letter. Normally, the E at the end of a vowel consonant spelling pattern would be a magic E that makes the vowel shout its name, but not in the irregular word whose. The heart under the letter E is needed to remind us that E is not a magic E in this word, and we don't say a sound when we read this letter in the word whose. All right, word wizards, get ready for our last job. It's time to write our word. The irregular heart word whose is spelled WH-O-S and the silent letter E. Great spelling today. Whose turn is it to feed the fish today? Amazing work today, heart word superstars. Remember, those tricky irregular words are easy to learn with a happy heart. See you next time.